Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, I'll show you how to hide all Facebook posts. Before moving further, like this video, click on subscribe button and you have to click on the notification icon. Click on all so you will get the notifications for all the upcoming videos. If you want to hide your Facebook photos and posts from other people, you can hide all of your Facebook posts with just simple few steps. So first of all, we'll open a Facebook and you can see this account. If we click on photos, and here you can see no photos to show. All of the photos from this account are hidden. How you can also hide the photos? For this one, you have to open the same account on which you want to hide the photos. So step 1 for old posts. If you have already made few posts and you want to hide your previous posts, for this one you have to scroll down. You have to select your old post. Click on these three dots. Click on edit privacy. Click on see more, and here you will see only me. Click on it. Now you have to go back and your post will be hidden and only you can see your Facebook old posts. New and upcoming post. How you can hide your new upcoming post that you will post on Facebook? For this one, you have to click on these three lines which you can see at the top right side. Scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. Scroll down. Here you will see profile and tagging. Here you will see first option, who can post on your profile. Click on it. Select only me. Go back. Second option, who can see what others post on your profile. Click on it. Click on see more. Click on only me. Go back. So now we are going to check this account from another account. We'll click on photos. Here you can see no photos to show, and here you can see all the photos and posts are hidden. So in the same way, you can also hide all the Facebook posts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.